channel. So as you can tell from the title of this video, this is going to be my initial review and really the beginning of my aligner journey with Smile Direct Club. And so before you guys ask, no, this is not a sponsored video. I pay for this out of my own pocket. And so yeah, this is just something that is a journey for me, and I honestly want to document it for myself. And just because I have a YouTube channel, I'm like, this is a perfect opportunity. I can document it on YouTube as well. I have to close this because it's creeping me out. I keep feeling like a face or something's gonna pop up. But yeah, so that's what this is, and that's what this is gonna be. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So today is November 19th. I went to Smile Direct Club on November the 2nd. I had an appointment on Monday, November the 2nd, at a Smile Direct Club location. Now, if you aren't familiar with Smile Direct Club, they are known nationwide. So anywhere in this nation, I mean, they probably are extend past the USA, but I'm not 100% sure. But if you are in America, they got you, girl. You can order it online, or if you live in a city where they have an office, you can go in the office and get your impressions done. And that is what I did. They do have a location in my city. So as I said, I went into the office, had a consultation with their orthodontist, or I don't even think she's really considered an orthodontist, but whatever her title is. I went, had my consultation, got my impressions done, and then they sent me my box. Now, for me, my process was super quick because, as I said, I do live in a city where they have an office, number one, and I live in a city where the company actually was founded. So their head office is in my city. So whereas most times, say for instance, you live in New York, you'll order it and it'll say it comes from Nashville, then it goes to Georgia, then it goes to New York. For me, it's coming from Nashville to Nashville. So it was very quick and easy. So my wait time, as I said, was quicker than most. So just to give you all a little background, as I said, I did go to see them on the 2nd, and my box was delivered on the 14th. So literally a little under 2 full weeks, I got all of my stuff. So that was me going in, getting the impressions, going through everything with like the payment, getting the payment verified and my insurance verified, which took a couple days, like 3 days. So let's say that was Monday. And then 3 days from then was like a Wednesday or Thursday once everything went through, and they took my payment. And then once my payment went through, they got to making my actual aligners and shipping them out. So that is extremely, extremely fast. Yeah, that's extremely fast because they were telling me it could take up to 5 weeks. So I was expecting to not start this journey until next month, but my stuff came quick. Hold on, my camera. So yeah, everything took a little under 2 weeks. And so as I said, I did get my aligners on Saturday the 14th, but today is the 19th and I haven't started it yet. I told myself I was going to start them on Monday, but this is really a commitment and it's really a change for me. My gap, that's what I'm closing, my gap. My gap is something that I have had my entire life, and I've had opportunities to close it surgically before. Not necessarily veneers, but like he offered to put like a little piece in here and kind of just reshape my teeth. And that was like a really bougie doctor who I wanted to go back to before I got the aligners, but he's in California where I'm from, and I'm not under my mom's insurance anymore, so I couldn't go to him. So I had to go this route. You know, stay in the budget, baby, stay in the budget. That adulting off my mama good old insurance. But anyways, yeah. So, like I said, it's something that I've been struggling with. I've gone back and forth about for years. Literally for years, I have gone back and forth. about whether or not I wanted to close my gap. A lot of people that are around me love it. It's something that they just know about me and they love it about me, and it's just something that, you know, makes me me. And so when I told them that I was thinking about closing it, they're like, oh my gosh, don't do it. And that's something that like is the reason why it took me so long to do it, is because everybody was telling me not to. But I'm just in a phase of my life where I'm trying to focus on myself and do what makes Tiana happy. And I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the good stuff. So this is the box that you're gonna get when you order your aligners, and they do tell you that they send you everything you need in one box, girl. Everything you need for your entire journey comes in one box, so that is perfect. You don't have to wait. All right, so I've already like gone through my box, so this is not in order the way that it comes to you, but you still get the point. So when you come, you get a welcome to the club card, and so it says, hey Tiana, your 4-month smile journey starts now. Yeah, so one thing that you should know is that everybody's journey is going to be different. 4 to 6 months is what they quote. Because my issue isn't as bad as some other people's may be, my journey is a little bit shorter, but it can go up to 6 months if you're using them consistently. So it comes with like a bunch of little pamphlets. We don't have to go through that. It comes with this smile stretcher because you're supposed to check in. They do have a website, and you're supposed to check in when you start your aligners and everything like that. And so you're supposed to take pictures, and so they send you the stretcher for that. They send you some little cleansing tabs to clean your aligners with. You get a nail file to file down the edges of your aligner in case they're too sharp and like they're hurting your gums. You get, what are these? Some mints. So, hold on y'all, let me tell you. So you get these mints in the box, and let me tell y'all. So I've never had aligners before or retainers or anything like that. So I did not know like that my aligners fit, because when I first got it, of course I tried them on, like I was so antsy, I had to put them in. And they were, at first I was like, they're not gonna fit because it wasn't snapping. But as your mouth like salivates, your aligners stick. And so that happened. So they send you some mints just so that it can get your mouth going, and you can like pop one in and your mouth will start salivating and it'll make your aligners stick. So they send that. I get this little thing that it's a aligner thing to help take your aligners out because they're supposed to be super tight and it's hard to take it out with your fingers sometimes. A case for my aligners, a lip balm, if I can get it out of here. I can't get it out, whatever. And, ooh, oh my gosh. And then they send you some teeth whitening. So, yeah, I am going to go ahead and start it. Oh, and then your aligners come in these little bags, and they are labeled and everything with each week and how long you're supposed to wear them. So, yeah, I love this. So, what I'm going to do is, oh, and then I also bought their electric toothbrush because I'm just that person. I don't know, I felt like if I'm gonna be using their products, I might as well use everything and just see if it, you know, makes the experience better. So I bought an electric toothbrush from them. This is the Smile Direct Club brand. Excuse me. This is the Smile Direct Club brand toothbrush, and it looks like this. And then it comes with this little stand that also doubles as a holder. So, I mean, of course, it's a holder, as a cover, excuse me. So you put it in and it holds it like that. And then it also has this little tab under here that comes out, and you put your toothbrush right in there and it fits in there. And then this is the aligner cleaner. They say not to use a toothbrush on the aligner, so it comes with a brush that's safe for the aligner. And it goes just like that, and it covers your toothbrush. So, yeah, I got that. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to brush my teeth because it is, what time is it? It's 10:30 p.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and do my whitening treatment. And so by the time that's done setting, it should be almost midnight. And then I'm gonna come back and put the aligners in and everything like that. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just got done brushing my teeth. And now I'm about to go ahead and do my whitening. So when I went to my consultation, they gave me some whitening already. So I have like 4 or 5 months worth of teeth whitening, because apparently their whitening works where you only use it for a week straight and then it's good for a month. So I have 6 months worth of teeth whitening. So that's exciting. My teeth are gonna be super, super white at the end of this. So they tell you to brush but not floss before you whiten. So yeah. So all you do is you take a little whitening and you twist it up until a little bead of whitening shows up. And then you just apply it to all of your teeth. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. So then you take this little thing, plug it in your phone, and yeah. All right, what's up, you guys? I am back. It is a little bit later on. It's just about midnight now. As you see, I done took my lashes off. I almost was about to wash my face off, like, cause I was just in, wind down mode, and I forgot that I had to finish this video. So, sorry about the change, but yeah, nonetheless, I'm here. So I've already let the whitener sit on my teeth, and this is what it's looking like right now. So it's been on there and it's set in and everything like that. So now I can go ahead and put my aligner in. So I'm going to tear it off and go ahead and put them in. Let me get my little case ready because I'm gonna need them. So this is my top aligner, and this is the bottom. And my hands are clean, by the way. So this is the issue that I was having the first time I tried them on, was getting them in there the right way. There we go.
some milk.
I think I need to smoke first before I do this shit because oh, that hurts, you guys. It really hurts. It doesn't hurt like excruciating, but it's just tight and it's uncomfortable. So I need to self-medicate right now because I ain't gonna be able to. You know what? I'm good. Oh, okay. Take two. Ooh, take two. All right. So I think they're in all the way. Ooh. This hurt. Like, all right. So this is day one. Ooh. This tooth right here is like it's out of line a little bit. Like the bottom feel fine. The bottom they feel fine. But it's this top. I don't know what it is. All right. So they're in. I think the way it was on was just kind of awkward initially. So I just had to kind of place my tooth in there. And then, you know, it feels a little bit better, or maybe I'm just getting used to it. I don't know. But yeah, so this is day one of the aligners. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm probably gonna I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I'm probably gonna take them out in about 2 hours or so. Because I have to take my medicine, and I can't take my medicine with these in my mouth. But then I'm gonna put them right back in, so it's fine. But yeah, so this is day one, and I will check in with you guys in the morning. Bye.